Hi guys. In today's video, I'm showing you how can you add motion in your picture by using Runway. The process is straightforward and effortless. The first thing is head toward the official website of runway.com. Scroll down, and you will see the option Text or Image to Video. Simply tap on this option. And here you have to upload your image. Inside the Runway, like I am uploading. So you see my image has been uploaded in Runway. And here, if you have something in your mind, means by which type of motion you want to add in your picture, then you can write by yourself. But if you don't know too much about this, then no need to worry about it. The Runway will add motion by itself. Set this to 3. After setting up this, tap on this option Generate. So you see it start processing. The processing has been completed. Here is my picture and I'm playing with it. So you see the Runway has added motion to my picture and it looks so good. You can download this from here. If you tap on this option Download, then it will download to your PC. So by using this method, you can add motion to your picture by using runway.com.